Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are ready. Plug the Series 9 in and charge until it reaches around 50% because pairing can stall on low battery. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then unlock and sign into your Apple ID so iCloud settings sync. Open the Watch app, tap Start Pairing. You'll see a viewfinder. Hold the watch face inside it. This step links devices securely and transfers core settings automatically. Once the watch app recognizes the Series 9, follow on-screen prompts to pair. Align the watch within the iPhone's frame until confirmation appears. Next, choose Setup as New or Restore from a backup. Restoring brings previous apps and watch faces. You'll create a passcode and enable wrist detection. These keep Apple Pay and health data secure. Make sure permissions for notifications, location, and health are granted so features like fall detection and heart monitoring operate correctly. After setup, allow the watch to finish syncing apps and media. This can take several minutes. Customize watch faces and complications in the watch app so you see the data you need at a glance. Test the heart rate, GPS, microphone, and speaker now to confirm functionality. If something fails, restart both devices. If pairing errors persist, forget the watch in Bluetooth settings, reset the watch to factory, and repair. These steps resolve most connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.